How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice, and I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on a 2024 32 Aquila Power Catamaran. Apologies, the boat's a little wet. It just started raining, but I wanted to jump on. We're too excited to show it to you. Right on the back of the boat, you're going to have twin Mercury 300 V8s. These are in the cold fusion white that really makes the boat pop out on the water. Come forward into the boat with me. You're going to notice that this boat is abnormally wider than a lot of other boats because you're used to seeing single V-hulls. This is a power catamaran. It is going to give you a very, very smooth ride. The interior on this one is going to be the sea gray. You can also get it in a mocha, which is going to be a darker brown, but we opted for the gray interior, a little bit more modern. Great seating area here in the back, very, very wide, set up to entertain with excellent storage. Just because it's a catamaran does not mean that it certainly lacks storage. You actually have a lot more. Everywhere you look in this boat is going to open into yet another storage area, which is great for when those long days are out on the water. Up on the side here, you're going to have a double wide captain's helm, which is really nice. So for when you got your captain sitting here driving, the companion can sit or stand next to you. Up on the dash, this one is going to have a single 12-inch Raymarine. You got plenty of real estate over here if you wanted to add an additional Mercury vessel view, fusion head unit, you got a glove box, and you got your LED rocker switches here. Notice this one does have the sunshade in the back of that boat. So with all that seating back here, you can open up that shade, send it to the back, and everybody can enjoy the shade. Massive hardtop here. You're going to have two vents to open up for ventilation to get even more air through here. But it doesn't stop there. Like I said, this boat is set up for entertainment. You're going to have your Kenyan cooktop right under here. Easy to enjoy, cook, freshwater sink, an additional area to have any of your goodies while you're entertaining. This boat does have a cabin off to the port side. It's a twin size berth in there, easy to step down into, but it transforms this boat into a day boat, to a weekender, overnighter. If you want to go for that longer ride, you can certainly do it. Over on this side is going to be a bathroom. So plenty of room, easy in and out, but you have plenty of comfortable seating and sleeping quarters overnight. Refrigerator below, trash can receptacle, and here's your controls for that Kenyan cooktop that I mentioned. Let's step it into the bow. Nice two sun pads here, plenty of cup holders, and you're going to have your windlass concealed off in the front. This boat does also come with the option to have these forward bow sail shade to put yourself into a little bit more shade while you're out there getting out of that Florida sun. Guys, this is a 32-foot boat brought to you by Aquila. I do not have all the time to go through it, but if you come visit me here at MarineMax Venice, I can show you a little bit more. Thanks for watching.